Hello class 10. Today we are going to discuss the programming question number 9 and 10 of chapter 2 library classes. Question number 9 is write a program to input a single letter, find its ASCII code and find the ASCII code, reverse the ASCII code and display the equivalent character. Like suppose if you have input capital Y, then what is ASCII code of Y? 89. And what is the reverse of the 89? 98. And what is the equivalent character of 98? Small b. So this much you have to do. Input a letter, first find its ASCII code, print the ASCII code, reverse the ASCII code, and after reversing find out its equivalent character. See the program. Importing the util package, public class reverse ASCII, system out println, enter a single letter, char lt for letter equal to in.next.char 0, int a equal to int lt. We have converted the letter into integer, so it will be converted into equivalent ASCII code. System out println ASCII code is printed. Once again, according to question, we have input a letter lt. We got the ASCII code by explicit typecasting. Int a equal to integer of lt to store the ASCII code in a and print the ASCII code. Now we have to reverse it. For reversing, we will use the same loop what you have used for the palindrome numbers. That is int r equal to 0 d. Int r equal to 0 and d. While a greater than 0. While a greater than 0. Okay. So suppose sample input is y. The ASCII code of a is 89. 89 is greater than 0. Yes. So d equal to a modulus 10. 89 modulus 10 will be the 9. Now r equal to r into 10. 0 into 10 plus 9. So r value became 9. Now a equal to a by 10. So a value will be 8. Since it is integer type, it won't be 8.9. It will be 8. Again go check for the condition. 8 greater than 0. Yes. The d equal to 8 modulus 10 8. Now r equal to r into 10. The r value was 9. The 9 into 10 90 and 90 plus d 8. So became 98. Now 8 by 10 became 0. The 0 greater than 0 condition became false. So now what is the value of r? R value is 98, which is the reverse of the 89. Now system out println reverse ASCII code equal to r. So it's r is printed, reverse ASCII code is printed, and system out println equivalent character equal to character of r. Equivalent character equal to what? Character of r. Okay. So this class name you can keep equivalent character according to the question. Keep it equivalent. Equivalent character. Now let us write this program in BlueJ and compile it. Okay, let us do it. Open BlueJ, new class, equivalent character. Equivalent character. Class name is done. Class is created. Open. First line will be the import line. So type that line. Import java dot util dot scanner semicolon. Now main method public static void main string args. Close. Now scanner object, scanner in equal to new scanner in equal to new scanner system.in system.in. Close it. Now system out println enter a letter na, enter a letter. So we'll input a single letter, enter a letter. Char, data type char, single letter, char lt for letter, equal to in dot next dot char at 0. So this will input a single letter. Okay, now convert this letter into ASCII code. To int a equal to int lt. So the letter, whatever letter is input, it is converted into ASCII code. The print is, for printing, system out println system out println ASCII code equal to code equal to a. ASCII code equal to a. ASCII code is printed. Now reverse it. Int r equal to 0 comma d to pick up 1 by 1 character, 1 digit, while a greater than 0, while a greater than 0, d equal to a modulus 10, a modulus 10, r equal to r into 10, r asterisk 10 plus d, a equal to a by 10, a equal to a by 10. Close it. The printing part, system out println reverse ASCII code, reverse ASCII code equal to plus r. Again system out println, this time print the equivalent character. So print equivalent character plus char of r, char of r. So the reverse digit is converted into character and printed. Close the program, compile, strings, compile, no syntax error, close, void main, okay, input capital Y according to question. So see the output, ASCII code 89, reverse ASCII code 98 and equivalent characters B. Again input some other letter, input suppose B, ASCII code 103, reverse 301 and equivalent character is printed. So this was question number 9. Now let us see question number 10. Let us see question number 10. Write a menu driven program to display first 5 uppercase letters, last 5 uppercase letters as per the user's choice. Enter 1 to display uppercase letters from first 5 and 2 to display a lowercase letter, that is the last 5. Public class menu, system out println, press 1 to display first 5 uppercase letters. System out println, press 2 to display last 5 lowercase letters, and system out println, enter your choice. Okay, int ch equal to in dot next int. Now see, if you have pressed 1, then case 1 will be executed. Loop runs from 65 to 69. So that is the ASCII code of capital A to capital E, first 5 uppercase letter. System out println char I. What is the character of 65? A is printed. Next will be 66. B is printed. C is printed. D is printed, and E is printed. So if you press one, case 1 will be executing. If you press case 2, then last 5 lowercase letters will be printed. That is ASCII code from 118 to 122. The system out println character of 118, then 119, 20, 21, 22, 22, and all the last 5 lowercase letters will be printed. Now let us see this program. Menu. Program is already typed. You can see the program here. Just compile. No syntax error. Close. Void main. Give choice 1. It is printed A, B, C, D, E. Correct? First 5 uppercase letters. Again this time give choice 2. Choice 2. The last 5 lowercase letter V, W, X, Y, Z printed. Okay, very simple. Now press some other option. Press 7. Wrong choice. So this was question number 10. So you are supposed to write both the programs and practice several times. Thank you.